Hey guys! Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day!
That's right, welcome to the adventures.
I hope you and your sweetheart get to be together on Valentine's Day.
That is one of the perks of being husband and wife team truck drivers. We do get to occasionally spend some time together.
Guys, look what we got going on today. It's the day before Valentine's Day, Friday the 13th. Oh. You don't have to make it complicated, guys. I was driving and she was back here hard cooking, and I get done dinner time driving shift, and look what I got waiting for me back here. My favorite meatloaf and some green beans and some potatoes, and look at that, even got a little cake over there. Yeah, it don't have to be complicated. Just go do it, guys. You can do it.
Don't forget the candle and the flowers.
Little
tablecloth.
Oh yeah.
So, like Scott said, first off, it starts with pre-planning. So I packed us a tablecloth, a little vase with some dried flowers that I had at home, and some candles, and kind of snuck it in the bottom of the bag. And I had asked him what he had wanted prior, and he had said
meatloaf.
I know, we're a little country. That's why I got the country tablecloth. So I went ahead and started making it, and I started making the dessert first, and started prepping it. And it's not like he can see what I'm doing necessarily while he's driving. Yes, he can look back and take a glance, but he doesn't really know what I'm doing.
I'm focusing all my attention on the road and the
crazy drivers around him.
Yeah, those guys.
So I went ahead, made the cake first, and then I started in on the meatloaf and threw in the green beans with some garlic butter that I had made. And then I used instant mashed potatoes because honestly, like you guys know, we eat super healthy, but instant mashed potatoes is the only way to go in the truck because everything else is just too much work. And so the electric kettle that I have that heats up my water for my coffee, it really does a great job making the water hot for instant mashed potatoes. I love this thing. You guys should look into getting one. It's really great for, you can also do like oatmeals and other things like that. So then once he pulled it in the rest area, all the food was done cooking.
Also on another note, it was really nice to have last week when we had the flu or whatever was going around, and you can take your TheraFlu with some nice hot water.
Yeah.
That's a game changer too.
That's true. That's very true. So then when we pulled in the rest area, which there's a beautiful sunset like happening right there in our view in the front window, and that has been a lovely view. So he gets out to walk Willow, and then I quickly grab the tablecloth, light the candles, get the little vase, put the flowers in it, set the table, and then we get back in. Yeah, that way it was all ready. You guys, like he said, you don't have to make it difficult. You can do simple, small things when you plan ahead, think ahead, to make life a whole lot better. We aren't really spending a whole lot of extra time on our break, and so we might have added like another 20 minutes or so to the break, but also planned ahead. Like we made sure we were diligent. I told him we were going to be doing Valentine's Day dinner today, so we did our due diligence to not take us long when it was shower time or bathroom breaks, rest times, things like that. We kind of kept it rolling, that way we could preload some of our time. So these are all helpful little tips that you guys can do to make the road a little tiny bit better. You guys, we try to do simple things to make living a whole lot better. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I know there's a common misconception that husband and wife team drivers get to spend all this time together.
Not so much.
Not true. You have to remember, one of us is driving and one of us is sleeping, and so we have worked out the schedule, and we have a bunch of videos when it talks about time, schedule, and things like that. That way it can really help us have a strong marriage and a good marriage still while working this very difficult, high-stress job. So it's all about the timing, and so we have picked our schedules, and for many reasons, for safety, but also so that we can share 2 meals together at a table and do regular things that husband and wives do, and that's communicate, just have a meal together, things like that. And so on special occasions, you guys do stuff that is special. All right, stay safe and enjoy the adventure. Bye.